This video here is designed to teach you our firing range methodology, techniques, and practices. The first thing that people always think about is on a range. There's one solid firing line. Everybody shoots at their targets. They have a ceasefire on the line to go and retrieve your targets and view your targets. With our system, we have a 500 meter capability. So you can start off at a short range to sight your weapon in, and then you can move it out as you get more fluent to a longer distance when you're shooting. Also, what that provides to you is the ability never to stop the firing line. But say a shooter shooting at his target, wants to change his target, they can drive the unit all the way to the shooter, exchange the targets out, and drive back while none of the other shooters have to cease fire. So it's very important right there just to improve the efficiencies on your range, so you can process more shooters or get more actual shoot time with no downtime in between target changes. Step 2 in our fire range methodology is the fact that you can start moving the targets to get a good depth perception forwards and reverse as the shooter engages the target. So what that gives you is the ability to learn instinctively aiming, natural aiming, faster on different depth perceptions and distances of the target. Step 3 in our range methodology is actually having the targets go from left to right across the range, so the shooter instinctively learns how to shoot at a moving target going left to right on the target. Step 4 of our firing range methodology is we can actually set the unit where there's no operator required. So basically you can set the throttle on the remote control so the vehicle will drive itself, and you can set the radius. So what you can do is you can, and in fact, have the target tracker going in circles. So now the shooter is going to address the center mass front of that target as it's coming around in the circle. That will help teach the shooter depth perception, target tracking, target acquisition, and it will also assist them with getting more fluent with shooting at moving targets, and timing of your shots as well, because you don't want to shoot the target in the back. It's always the center mass is the goal and objective of that training as the target tracker is moving the target in a circle radius. Now, based on the circle radiuses, as you see here, you could have multiple color shirts on your targets, you could have multiple different targets. And if you're in a military range command situation, you can envision 50 of those, all with different targets. So you could have quad teams go out and basically, through your comm systems tell them, okay, well, the red targets are the bad targets. Keep in mind, with those radiuses, we can also use the target tracker as a flanking device, so it could be going around the shooter, and the shooter could be addressing targets going in the circular motion out in the range. So they'd have to make sure that their muzzle's not crossing the part of the target. Shoot before the target and shoot after the target is another systematic way to learn flanking. Also, as the targets are coming around in a circle, it will help you work yourself out of tunnel vision by facing the target and then picking up in your peripheral vision the target coming around you in a circle that you're standing inside. So there's a multitude of different ways to really amp up the training